Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video I'll be doing my lazy day wash routine. So I have the got to be glue gel on my hair, which I'm going to wash off using water only. So I'm going to do a mixture of 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of hair mask. This is the right amount that my hair needs, so you can just make yours the amount that you need for your entire hair. I'm going to cover it and warm it up in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. So I'm going to mix everything together till there's no more separation between the oil and the hair mask. And after that, I'm going to wash off the gel I have on my hair, and I'm doing that using only water. So guys, my hair tangles really bad, so I make sure to detangle my hair and put it in 4 big twists before washing it. This makes the wash process a lot more easier for me. And I also made a video on how I properly detangle my hair. I'm going to leave the link to that video somewhere in the description box below or somewhere on the screen. Please don't forget to check that out as well. So right now I'm applying this mixture on my hair, starting from the root to the tip and making sure I cover my entire hair. So guys, as you can see, the comb is gliding through my hair because I already detangled it before washing it and putting it in a big twist. So you see, this step is very important when washing your hair. Alright guys, after applying this mixture all over my hair, I covered it up for about 20 to 25 minutes and then I washed it off with water. As you can see, I still have some white residue on my scalp, and it's from the coconut oil and the hair mask, which is not a problem at all. This bottle contains a mixture of Jamaican black castor oil and olive oil. I'll be using this as my hair moisturizer. After moisturizing my entire hair, I detangle it one more time and put it in 4 big twists. This will kind of stretch out the hair for the next day. I then cover it with a satin cap, and this is basically how I do my lazy day hair wash routine. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.